So you log into Immich and you see that your server version is out of date. You need to update it. First thing you want to do, create a folder with the version name that you're updating from. We're going to put a backup of the database into this folder. Just in case you screw anything up, you always get right back to it. Now go to immich.app and go to getting started and go to the administration menu and then backup and restore. This is going to give us the command to back up the database. Now you're just going to want to change the path to wherever you want to back that up. In this case, I am backing it up to my RAID drive right here. And then now I'm going to move that into that version folder that I created. And this way I can have backups from previous versions that I've updated from. Now, before you run that docker pull command, we want to look at the releases since the last version that we had. What we're looking for is any breaking changes. These are changes to the docker-compose file itself. You would see these in red, highlighted text, and really you would just then look at the docker-compose file for that particular release and see what needs to be changed in there. Sometimes there's some changes to the containers. Sometimes things are a little bit different in the docker-compose file, like when there was a change to actually creating a mount for the database itself so that it always persisted and people didn't accidentally erase the drive. So in this case, there's no breaking changes. I'm good to go to update. We're just going to look right back at the Immich installation commands and run the update command to basically pull and then up it once again. So let's paste that into the terminal. And now we're up to date.